Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set stop loss on Moomoo. So first thing you need to do is open up Moomoo app and start by logging into your Moomoo account, and then simply navigate to the stock you want to set a stop loss, or by searching it or finding it in one portfolio. After this, tap on stock to view its details and then select trade or order option. In the order entry screen, you will see various options, various order types. Simply select stop order or stop limit order option. A order stop order will turn into market order when the specified stop price is reached, while a stop limit order will only execute at a limit price or better. So after this, enter the stop price at you want to the order to trigger. For a sell stop order, this price should be below the current market price. If you are setting a stop limit order, you will also need to specify a limit price, and after this double check the details of your order, including the stop price and order type before confirming the order. After you can monitor your order. After placing the order, you can track its status in portfolio or order section.